In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ElevenLabs to n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need your ElevenLabs API key. So go ahead and log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, navigate to the API keys section. If you don't have a key yet, you'll want to create a new one. Just follow the prompts, and when it's ready, make sure to copy that key. You're going to need it for the next steps. Next up, let's set up our n8n workflow. Open n8n and create a new workflow. The very first node you'll want to add is a manual trigger node. This is what allows you to kick off your workflow whenever you're ready. You can think of it as the button you push to start the whole process. Once you have your manual trigger node sorted, it's time to add an HTTP request node to your workflow. This is where the magic happens. Click to add a new node and choose HTTP request. Now, with this node selected, we need to configure some settings. Change the request method to POST since we will be sending data to ElevenLabs for the text-to-speech conversion. Now, for the URL field, you'll need to go check out the ElevenLabs API documentation. Find the text-to-speech endpoint URL and paste it in. Don't skip this part. The right URL is crucial for getting everything to work. Next, we need to handle authentication. Go to the Headers tab in your HTTP request node. Here, you'll create a new header. You need to name this header XI API key. Now, grab that API key you copied earlier from your ElevenLabs account and paste it right into the value field of the header. This is how ElevenLabs knows that you have permission to use their service. Next, we have to configure the request body, which contains the specific parameters for your text-to-speech request. Make sure to enable the Send Body option. Here's what you need to add. First, we'll put in the text parameter, which is where you'll enter the content you want to convert into speech. This is your main text. Next, you need the voice ID. You can find this in your ElevenLabs account, specifically under the voice profile details. Simply copy your desired voice ID from there and paste it into your request body alongside the text. Now comes the exciting part. Before we test the workflow, double-check that all your configurations are correct. Once you're ready, go ahead and run the HTTP request node. This is the moment of truth. When you trigger this node, it should send your text to the ElevenLabs service and generate the audio file. If everything is set up properly, congratulations! You should have successfully connected ElevenLabs to n8n and generated an audio file from your text. It's such a neat process, isn't it? And that's a wrap. Thanks for following along with me today. Be sure to play around with different text inputs and voice profiles to see what amazing combinations you can create. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and give us a like if you found it helpful. Happy automating!